finished making ice cream for the day. What I want to reiterate, just to make things a little bit easier, is normally when you're making ice cream with this machine, you want to start with the lightest flavors, and you want to slowly work your way darker. You always want to do your nut flavors last to try not to contaminate any kind of other flavors with the nut allergies that some people might have. So typically we start with the sorbet, and then we start moving our way into like a vanilla, into a caramel, coffees, and slowly get darker. It's a lot easier to go from one flavor to the next when you're slowly going darker rather than doing a chocolate and then you're trying to do a raspberry, and now your raspberry has a dark tinge to it because of the chocolate that's still in the machine. One of the best ways to clean this machine out, now that we're finished for the day, is we're going to take our sprayer nozzle, and you can just open this valve right here, which I don't have water hooked up right now, but when I open up this valve, it's just going to spray out a hose. We can use that to kind of wash off the whole intake system, and then inside the machine you'll see it kind of like fill up with mix. We can run the dasher, just kind of churn that around, melt the ice cream that's in there, and then pull it out. I'm going to do that now with water that I have in this bucket. So you can see it's full of water now. Let's turn on the dasher. Just gonna let that move around and mix up all that ice cream that's in there, melt everything, and then we'll flush it out. Back to off. Open up our door slowly. Let it all pour out. So after we run a few cycles of water through the system, it's gonna start coming out nice and clean like it is now. And we're ready for disassembly.